Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss example 4, extremum problems. Find the coordinate of the stationary point on the curve. Shows that we have the second derivative in a given situation, hence determine the nature of the stationary point. Number 1, we have the function fx is equals to x over the x squared plus with the 4. Second step, find the first derivative. So where we have a quotient rule, v u prime minus u v prime over the v squared. So let's begin. We have the v, x squared plus with the 4. Multiply with the u prime, where we have the 1 minus x, differentiate the v, where we have 2x. Then we have x squared plus with the 4, bracket, square. Can I simplify the situation? So we have the x squared minus the 2x squared plus with the 4, over x squared plus with the 4, bracket, square, f prime x. Continue. We have the f prime x, which is equals to 4 minus the x squared over x squared plus with the 4 bracket square. Next, find the second derivative. So here we have the second derivative. Again, making use of this part where we have the u and also the v. We have the second derivative, v, x squared plus with the 4 bracket square. Multiply with, differentiate the u. So we have negative 2x minus 4 minus x squared. Differentiate the v, where we have 2 bracket x squared plus with the 4 bracket power 1. Differentiate the internal function, we have the 2x. Then x squared plus with the 4 bracket to the power 4. Can we expand the situation? So we have the x squared plus with the 4. Factor the situation, and we have the bracket. We have the x squared plus with the 4 multiply with the negative 2x. Minus, we have 4x multiply with 4 minus x squared. So notice that we can simplify this part. So can we rewrite? We have the x bracket. We have the negative 2 bracket x squared plus with the 4. Minus, we have the 4 bracket 4 minus x squared. Over, we have the x squared plus with the 4 cube. So kindly factor out the 2. So here we have 2x bracket, we have the negative x squared, negative 4, and then we have the negative 2 multiply with the 4, negative 8. Negative 2 multiply with the negative x squared over, we have x squared plus with the 4 power of 3. So finally, we have the second derivative. We have the 2x multiply with, notice that we have the x squared minus the 12 over, we have the x squared plus with the 4 bracket power 3. So kindly refers to the situation, and we already show that the second derivative is given in this situation. Hence, determine the nature of the stationary point. Step number 3, find the critical numbers and also the critical point. So f prime x, which is equals to 0. So if you notice that we have 4 minus x squared, which is equals to 0. We have 2 minus x, 2 plus with the x. So x is equals to 2, x is equals to negative 2. So kindly substitute into the value of fx. So where we have the y, when we substitute in this part, we have 2 over 8. Y is equals to 1 over 4. We have y is equals to, if we substitute negative 2, then we have negative 2 over the 8. Y will be equals to negative 1 over 4. So here we have the critical number. Then we have the point 2, 1 over 4, negative 2, negative 1 over 4, where we have the critical point. Or we can say it stationary point. Next is the test. So if the x is equals to 2, if the x is equals to negative 2, so kindly substitute the f double prime value 2. So here we have 4 multiply with the negative. So we have 4 minus 12, negative 8. Over, we have 4 plus with the 4, 8. So here we have 8 to the power of 3. So if we simplify, we have 4 over 8 square. So here we have the negative. So if it refers to the calculator, we have negative 4 divided by 64. Then we have f double prime 2, which is equals to negative 1 over 60. Less than 0, so it's a maximum. Then we have the maximum point. Name it 2, 1 over 4. So that is the maximum point. Next refers to the negative 2. So f double prime negative 2. If we substitute, we have negative 4. Multiply, again, we have negative 8. Over, if we substitute the 2, then we have 8 to the power of 3. So we have 4 over 64. So the f double prime 2, which is equals to 1 over 16, greater than 0. So it's a minimum. So the minimum point, we have negative 2, negative 1 over 4.
If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.